Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix private album not showing in any Xiaomi devices. As you can see, I have a Xiaomi Redmi device, and if I want to add a photo in private album, then there is no option of private album here. But if you have a private album in the album section but the photos are not going into that, as you can see, I have a private album but the photos, when we click on photos and I want to try photos in the album, then no option is shown here. This is because now Xiaomi has changes its updates and they have blocked the private album option in many devices. Then how you can get that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the gallery app. After that, you have to click on app info. After that, you have to click on more option, and here you have to uninstall the updates. After you uninstall the updates and you get the previous version of the app, and you open the app again, then after some time all the photos will appear here. And if you want to add any photo in the private album, then you have to simply press and hold any photo, and here you can see the private album option is showing here. In this way you can solve the problem of the private album not showing. After you on, then you have to turn on the synchronization as you add any photo. So after that, all the photos are added in your private album. Now if you want to access that photo, then how you can do that? For this, you have to simply drag down and you have to again provide your password, and you can see now I have added the photo in my private album in my Redmi device. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.